So this is day 25 of our 90-day challenge.
Reset.
So, nasa third exercise na tayo. Meron pang isang set pa sa third exercise. Tapos may tatlo pa ulit exercise after nun. So far okay naman. Medyo masakit lang yung mga kalamnan pa. Pero kaya naman. Sikapin natin matapos yung araw, yung first ever comeback natin sa gym. And we're done. So yun, katatapos lang natin workout ng first day. So natapos naman natin and masakit lang sa katawan, pero light siya compare sa inaasahan ko. So baka mamaya-maya pa sumakit. So I was planning na today talaga mag-start after naman nangyari na itong past weeks, after ng napakaraming travels and backlogs sa 90-day challenge. I finally decided na magbalik ng gym. Kaso kanina I was reminded na today pala yung kasal ng kaibigan ko ng college, and unfortunately hindi na tayo nakapunta kasi dami na natin backlog sa office, and hindi pa kaya ng katawan ko magbiyahe ulit ng 4 hours, tapos ang additional 4 hours pabalik. Anyway, na realization for today. Siguro kahit kayo din naranasan nyo to, yung nakakatamad gawin yung isang bagay na pilipilit kang gawin to. Parang ang sarap magrebelde na wag na lang gawin if you are obliged to do it by others. Pero siguro yung nakatulong is yung awareness sa ganung feeling, para kahit maramdaman mo yun, you will not feel discouraged, and ikaw mismo yung magde-decide sa sarili mo na gagawin mo yun. Kaya here I am now. Kabalik tayo ulit. Ayun lang. So nakaplan na yung workouts for the rest of the week. So the plan is every day except Sundays. Sunday will be a rest day. We will still jog during those rest days. And later, mamayang gabi at may oras pa, at kung hindi umulan, I'll try to do a jog pa din sa Nara Park. So yun, that's it for today. See ya.